Hey zihlobo zami, welcome back to my channel. You're chilling with Ikelo Patricia in Tobe. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. It really means a lot. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and follow me both on Instagram and Twitter. I am at uPatricia_. Right, so today I'm going to be telling you something that I struggled with, and I'm thinking that it is fair for me to share it with my followers, guys, because you know that my YouTube journey, it has been long, and I did get support from other people like your Owami Hlongwane, in terms of some of the other things. Some of the other things I didn't know, guys. I had to figure it out. I had to be pressing my phone. I had to be fighting with my phone, and it was a mess, you know. And YouTube, it's not a phone call away for you to be like, hello, consultants, what do they say normally? We have a lot of calls, please hold. There's no consultant, no, there's nothing. You know, sometimes you don't know which channels to follow. So I remember myself struggling with the fact that already I am monetized. But please, before I continue, right, I know that a lot of you, there's questions that you want to ask. If there's any video that you want me to make regarding YouTube, regarding my journey to being monetized, after being monetized, please leave a comment. I'll gladly do that video, right? But today I'm going to be doing a video in terms of me telling you how I managed to view my my AdSense money. So we know that once you get monetized, right, your money starts counting. You are able to check your money on YouTube Studio under revenue and also on AdSense, right? You can see under YouTube Studio in terms of how much are you making a day, right? Probably you'll check today and it will say $1. Tomorrow it will say $1.9. Tomorrow you say $2, you know. So it updates you in terms of how far, how's your journey, are you generating money quickly. And in terms of YouTube, what determines if you get money, it's if people view your ads, number one, right? So guys, I know that it's easy sometimes for people to be like, I just want to get to the video quickly. I don't want to be watching this advert from beginning to the end, like I don't have data. But this is how us YouTubers make money, right? And sometimes I want to change my camera. I want to have a lot of lighting. I want to give you guys proper content, but obviously it needs money, and especially if YouTube is not paying you, it's quite difficult because you're using everything that you can out of your pocket. But if you are passionate like myself, you don't mind, because I remember I bought my camera before I got monetized. I actually bought my camera in Feb this year, and I only started YouTubing in December, somewhere there, right? So I decided to invest in my camera, in my ring light, in my mic, but my mic got broken, and I understand it was cheap. Guys, it was cheap. I saw it on somebody's YouTube video, then I was like, okay, let me buy this mic. So but I'll make a whole video in terms of equipment and stuff, but I'm waiting for myself to get proper equipment so that when I give my reviews, I'll give it based on what worked for me. Like the mic, I cannot tell you to go buy the mic because for me it did not work. It acted on me. It's just sitting. I wasted my money, you know. But it's not cheap. 300, who's gonna give me 200 if YouTube is not paying me? So let me not say it's cheap, right? So what happened is that I was struggling to check how much I was making. Actually, no, I was not struggling, but I was able to see it. But my money started decreasing. It started going down. So from $20 US, I would see it saying 19, I would see it saying 20. Then I was like, okay, what's going on? Is my money being chowed? Is YouTube eating my money? What's going on, right? Till I figured it out, guys. So I will stop this video and obviously do a voiceover to show you step by step in terms of how I was able to view my YouTube, my real YouTube earnings. They didn't actually decrease, just that I had to look at them in some sort of way, because at the time obviously YouTube had not started paying me, and I had to figure it out myself in terms of what is going on. Because girl, I was checking every day to be like, send how much, you know. I can't wait to reaching a threshold. You want to reach that 1,000 rand threshold, and imagine seeing that you are at 900, the next thing you are at 850, 700. You're like, okay, what's going on? Am I getting there? Am I not getting there? So please view this step by step, guys. I love you. So guys, like I promised, a step-by-step video tutorial for you being able to view your AdSense earnings which are decreasing. So first things first, obviously you have to make sure that you downloaded the YouTube Studio app. Then once you download the app, you gonna then click on the app. So guys, once you are able to open your YouTube Studio, you will be able to see your analytics, watch time in minutes, views, subscriber change, your estimate revenue, right? So when you go out down, you will see as well in terms of the performance of the particular video, how it's performing, and you will be always able to see the comment section. The nice thing about this is that you don't need to go to YouTube for you to respond to every comment, but you can literally respond here on your YouTube Studio, right? As you see, my estimate revenue here, it says that it's 83.2, right? Once you click on the view more, you will be able to see more features into this. You will see your overview, how you're actually videos are performing in real time. There will be as well real time views, last published videos. So you can see from this that Isibaya episode 21 episode for the 21st of October 2020 is the one that is actually having a lot of views at the moment. And you will see your watch minutes, you will see your average view duration, and you will see your likes, dislikes, and you will see also down there your top videos, right? According to this, it shows that in the last 28 days my top video is Utando Nestembu, right? So you will be able as well to see other tabs there on top, which is your revenue, discovery, audience, interactive content, playlist, and so forth, right? But in this case, we're looking at revenue, right? So under revenue, that's where you will see your earnings, right? You will see that it says that my revenue is 80.12 US dollars, and you will see there's also ratings in terms of videos that are making me money, and you see Utando Nestombi, it's the highest with a 10.53, right? And you will see top countries that view my channel, which is the United Kingdom, the highest, and South Africa, right? Under revenue, then you will click on your estimate, right? Under your estimate, you can see that graph here. And what you will do, you will click on the arrow then, and once you click on that arrow, you will see months, days, and everything. This is where you literally minimize and want to see the exact earnings that you actually earning, right? So you in this case, you will click on, let's say you will click on your lifetime, right? You will see according to lifetime, my estimate earnings, it's 215.15, right? And as well as when you go to my my earnings for the last 365, it's still the same, because of obviously I'm fairly new on YouTube, and it's not long since I have been monetized. That's why even my 365 days still looks like the same as real earnings. And you will see that graph, it shows actually on which days did I make a lot of money, like Thursday the 15th of October at 8:15, right? So in this case, when you go back, you're like, okay, let me go back probably to 90 days, and you will see for 90 days I have made 143.53. right? Of which that's still not a lot, you guys. That's like that's not a lot. Like if you calculate, you go onto Google and you like convert US dollars to rands, then you will see actually how much I made. It's not a lot, but it is something who would give, nobody would have given me that money on the silver platter, right? So you can see as well that you've got a lot of options actually in YouTube in terms of how you can view your earnings, and it's pretty much the same if you're using also your, but yeah, I think I've covered most of the things. If you think that there's something that you want me to cover on my channel, please guys, comment, let me know. I'll most definitely do that video. I promise. If you are a new subscriber to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. It really means a lot. Your support, it's much appreciated. I wouldn't have been where I am without you guys, without your support. There's loyal subscribers on my channel that I think I owe a shout out. I most definitely owe them, because I know most definitely they're always on my comment section. They've been there throughout, and yeah, even if you're new, if I see that you are consistent, I'll most definitely give you a shout out on my channel. I'll grow you, you grow me, and looking forward to reaching 300 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. You have made this journey a beautiful one, and I'm loving YouTube because of you loving my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. Mwah.